StoreSpace, the macro retail space planning software solution to help you plan, manage, report, and share. Creating profitable store layouts requires the meticulous positioning of categories and products to ensure selling space is optimized and customers are satisfied and easily able to find what they want. To do this successfully, retail planners need to assess and process information from many sources. This is where StoreSpace fits in. Developed in-house and based on a wealth of practical experience and innovation, StoreSpace helps retailers optimize their stores with accurate information. So, what is StoreSpace? It's an easy-to-use, fully integrated retail planning environment using AutoCAD, your store plans, and our StoreSpace online portal. It is intuitive to use and provides a range of tools that simplify and speed the floor planning process, empowering you to maximize sales and improve profitability by achieving the right layout, range, and assortment for individual stores across your whole estate. StoreSpace comprises 3 key elements: StoreSpace online portal, StoreSpace for AutoCAD planning toolset, and integration with Nielsen Spaceman and other internal systems. StoreSpace Online. StoreSpace Online is a cloud-based database populated from AutoCAD that stores and reports on all the retail assets across your estate, including area information, fixtures and fittings, as well as category space and non-selling space within each store. Viewing plans, reporting on data, and sharing information with head office category managers and field-based colleagues is easy without requiring an AutoCAD license to access. StoreSpace will enable you to optimize your retail space efficiently and effectively. StoreSpace for AutoCAD. Integral to StoreSpace is our StoreSpace for AutoCAD add-in that enables your retail planners to productively design and plan each store. Using model stores, StoreSpace guides the floor planning process. You can implement best practice by understanding how the selling space integrates with the building, the customer flow and fixture placement, using heat-mapped plans to clearly identify bestsellers and highest volume products based on your model stores. This intelligence is built directly into your existing AutoCAD block library, so the planning process is simplified, floor plans are kept up to date, and reports are based on accurate information. The StoreSpace toolset creates a highly productive environment where you can manage category space and reports on spatial equipment and non-selling space too. StoreSpace can also hold photographic records using our StoreView virtual tours of actual stores for easy reference to the physical reality, reducing the need for costly visits to stores. Nielsen Spaceman integration. StoreSpace works in isolation or can closely integrate with the Nielsen Spaceman and their assortment and space optimization software suites. By linking your micro and macro planning systems, you can make informed decisions using your floor plans, your latest Nielsen planograms, and related sales data, as well as assigning your Nielsen planograms to fixtures and stores to test different scenarios. StoreSpace can also integrate with your other systems, informing those additional stakeholders involved in the store planning process, such as architects, marketeers, procurement, and category managers. StoreSpace is your essential data management tool. By providing a robust reporting system, accurate, up-to-date information, and a highly productive planning environment, StoreSpace will enable you to optimize your retail space efficiently and effectively. StoreSpace. Plan, manage, report, share.